This is a fair price initiative.
Fethu Walla South Africa. Welcome to another episode of Kasi Hustlers. I'm your boy Opa Mafumani. Namhlanje sihlangana Sthembiso. Sthembiso will share with us how it is to be a hustler. Is it easy or is it difficult? And Bafethu, he's got his own brand, Kumza Foods. Welcome to Kasi Hustlers.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguSthembiso Khumalo, the founder of Kumza Foods. So Kumza Foods, company yala eSoweto, siqale Rockville. It's a family business, so sisebenza nomama nabantwana. So ama products esiwayenzayo senza ama products mostly we have ukudla kwethu we have so izinto esinazo sinama carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates. Nayi example yakhona esinayo esiphethe namhlanje ipolenta. So and then sinama legumes amabhontshisi esiwaphethe namhlanje ama chickpea, and then sinama seeds bese masiqeda sinama spices kodwa njoba kama spice aphinde futhi aba ama herbs, and then after lapho sinama tinctures esiwathengisayo amalona castor oil. So lezi zinto zonke lezi esinazo sizithengisela for ukuthi abantu basebenzise ama natural products, because into esiyaziyo ukuthi ukudla yiwo umuthi futhi is medicine. So sithe masicala ke lento le sifuna ukuthi abantu elokishini basizakale instead ukuthi babhizi badla amaphilisi njalo kodwa mabadla lokudla lokhu siyabona improvement ebantwini abaningi sesibancedile abathola ama products wethu. So nathi siyathanda ukuthi nisisupport kulento le kulomsebenzi esisuqalile, because thina igoal yethu ukuthi sincedise abantu. So most yokudla sinawo ama legumes nje basishilo, ama spices, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So abafuna ukusicontacta ngizathola ama contacts wethu ukuthi siqhubeke sisebenze khona la elokishini sincede abantu baselokishini. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, so uqale nini lelo?
Ilona umsebenzi lona siuqale 2016. But masuqala besisebenzela eMpumalanga. So from eMpumalanga we moved ukuthi njoba sesiza la elona eSoweto Rockville, kulapho ke sesiqhubeka nayo. Yes.
Okay. And i-challenges obenazo manqala umsebenzi eziphi?
Ama challenges esinawo masiqala lo msebenzi ukuthi mawunceda abantu abaningi makufanele bathenga ama products wakho ba trust mostly ama products wala ma itoro lezi sijwayelekile. So itoro lezi sijwayelekile yizo ezilona and sithengisa the same products la kunawo yila uzowathola lapha, because but thina mostly sebenza nge-organic stuff. So yeah.
Okay, then in terms of hustling, wena ufila kanjani as a hustler?
Yeah, mama sisaqala 2016 to until manje bekunzima kakhulu, kodwa sithe masisiqala sesifika la eSoweto sesisebenza nabo Soweto Farmers Market, abantu sebaqala bayazi brand species hustler, and then but mostly thina masasila kakhulu siku online ku WhatsApp, shop yethu ku WhatsApp ukuthi sihambisa ama products ethu. So bokunzima from laphana, but manje at least support siyayithola nyana, and then nathi siyakhula uma brand wethu ku brand yethu Kumza Food ukuthi siyenze ibe better than maybe kuyiyo, but support siyayithola kancane manje Soweto, because sebabaningi nyana abantu abasazi.
Then ngitshele ke mfethu, i-motivation ongayipha amanye ama hustlers ayiphi?
i-motivation engayipha amanye ama-hustlers ukuthi masisebenza kulo msebenzi lona akukho lula. Sometimes nokubona sengathi into yenzayo ayikho inqubekela phambili, but ungaluzi ithemba. The more izohasila yenza mina ngithe ngicala 2016 izinto khona zihlangana ngaboma 2023 sesihlangana kahle, so awukhathali masoyibambile into ibambe, ungabhizi ushintsha wenza leyo yenza leyo ngoba yiyo vele iyo wayicabanga lapho ufuna ukufika khona uzofika.
Ngicela nje usibonise ukudla nje oku-right for people who are diabetic eliphethe.
Okay, so ukudla esikuphethe lana oku-right for abantu be-diabetic, number 1 yilama seeds lawa abiza ukuthi ama-meaty seeds, nalama spices lawa kufanele sibe nawakhaya, abo-bay leaf and then abo-cinnamon, and then bese sinalento i-tincture esibiza ukuthi insulin, abantu fanele bayiphuze ngama-drops, and then amabhontshisi nawo are-good. So amabhontshisi are-good for i-diabetes. Sithola ukuthi ama-black beans, ama-kidney beans, chickpea, even ama-split peas la esajayele, nama-seeds amanye-ke esiwaphethe. So ama-seeds lawa asebenza as i-supplement yokuthi uma ungatholi ezinye izinto bese maceda udle lezi zinto lezi. So yeah, for i-diabetes.
Ngibona le yini Ajmo powder sikhiphane ngayo.
Okay, i-Ajmo powder mostly siyisebenzisela ke abantu be-arthritis. So umuntu one-problem ye-arthritis usebenzisa yona, and then futhi ukuthi ibhodlela lela sinalo, and then sine-tincture futhi ebhale arthritis nayo iyanceda futhi lapho. So i-Ajmo and then bese
Amla
yizo, and then nalena i-deal mostly yizo esizisebenzisayo. So uma uthole lezi usiphuza une-arthritis ziyanceda kakhulu ukuthi zi-improve ukuthi ungafili ama-pains kuma-joints.
Ngibona ne-castor oil mfethu.
Oh
yeah,
so
umsebenzi wayo yini castor oil?
So umsebenzi we-castor oil thina masikhula besazi ukuthi umsebenzi we-castor oil uqinisiso, but mase sifunda si-discover ukuthi i-castor oil ayiphuzwa. I-castor oil is an irritant, so that is why masiyiphuzile besiqinisiso. But ke into esiyifundile nge-castor oil inceda izinto eziningi. There are more than 100 things izinto ezenziwa i-castor oil, like ma ufuna inwele ezinhle, ufuna inwele zakho zikhule abomama usebenzisa i-castor oil. Ma ufuna unenkinga i-problem yamehlo uyayithenga i-castor oil every day, 2 times a day uyayigcobisa around your eyes, then improve i-eyesight yakho. Sithola ukuthi nabantu abanama-pains kuma-joint nabo like bayenza ama-pack, like pack siyafundisana ukuthi uyenza kanjani, bayibeke lapho bese mayiceda iyapholisa lapho inceda isikhumba. So mostly uma ungajwayele ukuyisebenzisa ukugcobisa isikhumba sakho uzobona ama-results amaningi. So there are more than 100 benefits atholakayo we-castor oil, but not for ukuphuza kuphela lona. So nabanye abantu
Akusinto ukukhudisa kanti. Thina besazi vumela ukhude.
So abane-constipation mhlawumbe isisabe singasebenzi bayethatha like bayithele endwangini bayiyenza ibe warm bayibeke esiswini, then iya-improve i-circulation esiswini. Yes, so ayiphuza but isebenziswa ngaphandle, asiyifaki ngaphandle.
It's not an internal
it's not an internal
consumption. It's an external usage.
Yes, so external yenza lo msebenzi phakathi.
Ngicabanga wena bhuti wami mele sosuwa abogogo ngoba kudala nje sikhudisa ngayo la idea.
No, abogogo
bangafuna ukudla
bacabanga ama-benefits.
Bangafuna ukudla pusi castor oil. No, this is nice. This is good. All right, so ngicela uphinde kama number wakho for the last time bhuti wami.
Okay, so abafuna ukusithola sitholakala ku 062 211 6673. 062-211-6673. So
WhatsApp angithi.
Yeah, iku WhatsApp. So mawufuna ukukhuluma nathi just chat with us ku WhatsApp and then thina sizoqhubeka lapho ngiyabonga.
All right.
So we are available kubantu mhlambe mabafuna ukuthi size kuma community wabo kuma churches wabo ukuthi sizobafundisa ukuthi ini natural bangayenza kanjani. So siyeza sizobafundisa for free ukuthi ngoba siyahasila ukuthi manje sinifundisa siyazi ukuthi ama products uzothenga kithi nazi ukuthi yini umsebenzi wakho.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So issues of health wise, tips you do there.
Yeah, so masizile let's say community yasimema or in churchana or whatever lapho isimema khona ama companies thina sanifundisa like ngizosho ukuthi mina ngifuna sikhulume ngani arthritis or ngifuna sikhulume ngeBP or ngesugar diabetes or ngecancer sikhulume ngazo ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ungasebenzisa natural things ukuthi sibe ngcono.
All right. Ukhulume ngecancer. Ngibona ama-berry lana isultanas yinle ama-raisins.
Yeah.
So ama-nuts now.
Yeah.
So now izinto ezinceda ukupreventa ama-seeds cancer or whatever eziphi.
So izinto ezipreventa mostly like ukudla. Masithi prevent cancer kukhona ukudla kufanele ukudla khona ukudla kungafanelanga ukudla. And then khona amanye ama-herbs esingaphethanga la like esiwasebenzisayo for ukuthi ancede ukuthi ama-cells we-cancer la phakathi komuntu angasakhuli kodwa siwayenze ukuthi anciphe then bese mayiqeda iphele kube nama-normal cells. So nakhona masikhuluma ngayo siyangena sijule ukuthi kahle kahle i-cancer yini yiziphi izinto ofanele usebenzisa kakhulu kule yabo baba le abayisaba i-prostate. Nakhona abo baba mabafuna ukuthi sikhulume nabo kuphela ku-prostate cancer siyahlala nama-team abo baba sikhulume nabo sibafundise ukuthi kufanele bayenze kanjani ukuthi i-prostate ingabi inkinga because i-prostate yiyo number 1 killer kubo baba babantu abamnyama because siyasaba esibhedlela but siyafundisa ama-tips ukuthi sincedakala kanjani.
All right. And then ama-kidneys and all that.
And then ama-kidneys nawo like
zikhona
zikhona yes.
Yeah.
Zikhona zama-kidneys zikhona ezi-detoxa like siya-detoxa ama-kidneys siya-detoxa i-liver siya-detoxa like isiklina igazi. So akhona amanye ama-herbs angekho la esiklina ngawo igazi siklina zonke lezi. So mostly masenza leyo nto leyo sine 21 day sibiza 21 day detox. Yeah. So ufanele ukuthola ama-herbs awu-8 but lama-herbs lama uthola asisebenzisa ama-herbs afana kuzodependa ngokuthi uphethwe yini. So siyawuclean umzimba for 21 days and then after 21 days bese masiceda sicala i-treatment. So siyazi ukuthi masiwucleanile umzimba for 21 days abanye bazizwa seba-right kanti kufanele bachubeke at least for 6 months after treatment abaningi baya-improve.
All right. Hayi mfethu ngicela uphe i-message to all the hustlers abala eMzansi.
Bafethu asichubekeni sihasile siyenze lento singasabi sizofika lapho siyakhona. Sure.
Thank you.
As food is medicine, Kumza food, and then futhi na ku WhatsApp satholakala futhi isitolo sethu sitholakala kakhulu ku WhatsApp. So uma uthumela yini kule number le ngithumele yona nangizokuthumela ilink yesitoro ukuthi sitholakala kuphi. And then around Soweto ama delivery deliver free, but out of Soweto then deliver pay courier, but around Soweto deliver for free. Yabo.